I tried Copay wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I decided to test the Copay wallet app for 7 days, I didn't expect much. It's been around for a while, and many people assume it's outdated. But the shocking truth is that Copay is still one of the most secure and transparent Bitcoin wallets available today. On day 1, setup was quick and straightforward. I created a new wallet, backed up my recovery phrase, and was immediately struck by the fact that everything was open source. That means every line of code can be audited, making it one of the most transparent crypto wallets out there. By day 2, I tried sending Bitcoin, and here's where things got interesting. Copay gives you full control over transaction fees. You can choose how much to pay depending on how fast you want the transaction confirmed. Most wallets hide this, but Copay puts you in charge. By day 4, I tested one of Copay's standout features, multi-signature wallets. This lets multiple people share control over one wallet. For example, if you're managing crypto with a business partner or a team, no one can move funds without multiple approvals. That's a security feature. Very few wallets handle this elegantly. By day 6, I noticed how reliable it was. No glitches, no random errors, and the interface felt stable even though it's been around for years. By the end of the week, the shocking truth was clear. Copay isn't flashy, but it's built for people who take crypto security seriously. It's like a digital safe that gives you total control over your Bitcoin without depending on any third party. Most people overlook it because it's not trendy, but Copay proves that old-school reliability still matters in crypto. If you're looking for a wallet that prioritizes transparency, multi-signature protection, and full control over your funds, Copay is still one of the best-kept secrets in the Bitcoin world.